Hello, my name is Sean. I'm a Public Programs Coordinator at Fernbank. Today, we're going to learn about the electromagnetic spectrum and TV remotes. Light exists on something we call the electromagnetic spectrum. It looks like this. The electromagnetic spectrum is divided up by wavelength. A wavelength is just the distance from the top or crest of one wave to the crest of the next wave. The part in the middle with the colors is the visible light spectrum. These are all of the colors we can see with our human eyes. Now, if we had different eyes, like some animals, we might be able to see different parts of the spectrum. But because we're all humans here, we're just going to talk about our visible spectrum. Now, by order of wavelength, the colors of light in the visible light spectrum are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. As you can see, the wavelengths that are shorter than violet are on this side. They're called ultraviolet because they're more than violet. And the wavelengths that are longer than red light are on this side. We call them infrared. The most common way we interact with infrared light is as heat. That's right, heat is a form of light. Now, another common way we interact with the infrared spectrum is with our TV remotes. Now, this is a TV remote, but any kind of remote that has one of these little bulb LEDs on the end there will work just fine. So what happens when I push a button on the remote is that it sends a signal through the light in special coded light to a receiver. The receiver, in this case the TV, takes in the light, decodes the information, and acts based on the information. So, for example, if I hit channel up, the light comes out of my remote, goes into the TV, and the TV knows to change the channel. Now, we can't see this light with our eyes. It's infrared. It's not part of the visible spectrum. But certain cameras can see infrared light. So if I just push the button, do you see it? It's that purplish light there flashing at the end. That's the infrared light coming out of the remote. It's also an easy way to tell if your remote batteries are working. All right, well that's it for today. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you'll join us again soon.